What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is February the 10th of February. And I am here to do some unboxing that I got in the mail because I know I needed some more stuff. So I was just gonna, I got it from Amazon and I got a couple of stuff and just get to show you what I got because I wanted it and I needed it. So let's open it up. I got another package coming in the mail, so I'll probably do another one later. Probably won't be today, but it'll be later. As we can see, let's see what's in the bag. Yo, I just want to do some regular stuff, you know what I mean? So this one right here, I have a iPhone 15 Pro, and you know you like to move around, need cords that's long. So this one right here is a charger cord. What's the name of this thing? This one right here is iPhone 15, 16 fast charger cord. So this one is 10 feet long, and I got it in purple, and I also got it in blue. As you can see, we got it in purple, and we got it in blue. And so I needed that one. The next device, the next item I got on the list is, you know how I be giving people the selfie sticks, and the top part normally break off. So this right here is the phone tripod mount. So this one right here is let's see, this is the bone out tripod now. Triphone. Well, it's the bone out phone tripod mount. And I got this one because I didn't want the one that you gotta screw in. I wanted to just extend out and not extend and come snap back in. So that's the reason why I got it. And it's cheaper than just, if you already got a selfie stick and the other part broke, all you gotta do is just replace the top part. So that's what I did. You just gotta make sure it fits the bottom end. Like, let's show you. Make sure that it fits the bottom end right here. Normally if you have that part right there, you can easily replace the other one. So what all I gotta do now is just put it on here and it extends out. That's the reason why I got this one, because it's thin and I don't have to screw. So that's my second item. And then this one is the utility, and this right here is just a phone cover protection on my iPhone 15. That's the one I bought. At first, I bought it from the store and it was too small. The screen protector was too small, but this one is set to. This one right here is set to do the what's name. Let me show you this close to it. Like that, he's getting up. So let's see. This one is it should be, it tell you before you get it that it's only set for this one. And the way it's set up, you got the screen protector inside of it. It got the accessories to go with it. Got the instructions on how to do it. And it's supposed to be like self-doing it, so all you gotta do is put it on there and then seal it. It should seal it on its own. Hopefully it do. Hey. See, here you go right here. So once this thing is sealed it tight, and that way it could just automatically be on there, so you don't have to worry about all the extra stuff. So I needed one that actually fit my phone because I'll be going outside, and I needed something that's gonna be more convenient and don't have all them extra openings on my phone. So that's my third item. Let's see what this one is. I don't remember what this one is. Oh yeah. So y'all know I went on a cruise, right? And my friend Sharina, she had got a backpack, and she had a backpack and some headphones. I felt like they were very convenient based on the cruise. So I'm like, why not get some as well? Because if I go on another cruise, they had it where you can't take no speakers. You know, you can't take no like the Bose headphones I had, the speakers thing. So I didn't want to take no chance. So I got me some JBL pure bass wireless, and it's Tune 510 BT is wireless, pure bass sound, hands-free call, send flus. While the other one is it's in another language. I think that's Spanish. But it's Bluetooth. It got 40 hours of battery life. And I'm gonna have to check it out. Let me show you. Look at that. 40 hours. 40 hours. Bluetooth. And you know, I like to do stuff Bluetooth anyway. You know what I mean? And to give you the back part over here so you can see it. If you want to stop it, and you can. So next time if I go out, I think this would be another better way for me to stay an introvert. You know what I mean? Because once I stay an introvert, I have this on. It's like, oh, you can't hear us because I got my headphones on. But that's all I got for right now. So, but whatever you do, remember, whatever you do stuff at your own pace, your own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Remember, also I was gonna say, anybody, like, if you want me to wear your merch, because I drop a lot of videos. So if you want me to wear your merch, my link to my PO box, if you send it there, and I will wear your merch and promote your stuff based on what you're seeing. But it depends on what it is. So but I don't mind supporting other people's businesses, merch and stuff like that. And I could just put it in my lineup of my workout. So it's not just gonna be like one time. If it's something like dealing with fitness or something, and it's yours, I will put it in my rotation. So every time I come back around to it, I'll try to put your 90-minute and give you a shout out for your merch that I'm rocking for that day. So with that being said, like I always say, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease, and let's see if this thing hang up. Yeah. But it's not. Let's get up. Y'all take care. Peace.